In this movie, I'll introduce you to the heads-up display color picker, or HUD color picker for short, which allows you to select a color visually as opposed to dialing in values in the color panel. Now you can change its behavior from the Preferences dialog box, but first let me show you how it works. I'll go ahead and cancel out of here. You can get to the HUD color picker when any tool except for a selection tool is active. An ideal candidate is the brush tool, so I'll go ahead and select it. And then you have two very different keyboard shortcuts depending on whether you're working on a Mac or the PC. On the PC, you press Shift and Alt and you right-click inside of the image window. And then you can go ahead and release the keys, by the way, as long as you keep your mouse button down. And now at this point, you can go ahead and drag inside of this strip in order to define a hue value, then move over to the color field and drag horizontally to change the saturation or vertically to change the luminance. If you're working on a Mac, you want to press the Command, Control, and Option keys and just click. You don't right-click. So you just press those three keys right in a row, and then you click and drag inside of your image window, again using any tool except a selection tool. Now this field and strip, that's the default configuration for the HUD color picker, but you can change it from the Preferences dialog box. So I'll go ahead and press Control-K or Command-K on a Mac, and then I'm going to switch the color picker from Hue Strip Small, and you can experiment with these other options if you like. But my favorite is the standard hue wheel. So I'll go ahead and select that option and then click OK. And now notice if I press the Shift and Alt keys and right-click, that would be Command-Control-Option-Click on the Mac. I can drag around this wheel in order to change the hue value, and then I can drag inside the field either horizontally to change the saturation level or up and down to change the luminance. And then when you get the color you like, just release the mouse button. And that's how you work with the heads-up display color picker here inside Photoshop.